Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv app as you see and you will click here. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your time.